In this video, we'll show you how to perform an auto print head alignment. If the printing is misaligned, try the print head alignment function. This may improve print quality. Aligning the print head improves the print quality. The print head alignment is performed in two steps. 1. Printing the alignment sheet. 2. Scanning the alignment sheet. Let's get started. First, we'll start by opening the paper tray. Load one sheet of A4 or letter size plain paper. The paper settings confirmation screen will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Lift up the operation panel. Slide out the paper output tray and paper output support. Open the output tray extension. Now, let's print the print head alignment sheet. Tap the Setup button. Tap Maintenance. Tap Auto Head Alignment. Tap Yes. The print head alignment sheet will be printed. Please wait until the process is complete. Next, we'll check the print head alignment sheet. Check the sheet for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If you do see this, we'll need to perform print head cleaning and print the alignment sheet again. Now, let's scan the print head alignment sheet. Open the document cover. Place the pattern on the glass with the printed side facing down. Align the mark on the sheet with the reference mark on the printer. Close the document cover gently so as not to move the print head alignment sheet. Now, let's perform print head alignment. On the operation panel, tap OK. The print head alignment will start automatically. Please wait until the process is complete. The print head alignment is now complete. Tap OK. Check that the alignment has improved. Now, let's talk about troubleshooting. A support code and a message will appear on the computer or printer's screen. If a message appears on the printer's screen, tap OK to clear the message, then check the following. First, check that the print head alignment sheet is printed properly. Check for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If you do see this, we'll need to perform print head cleaning and print the alignment sheet again. Second, check that the print head alignment sheet is placed correctly. Thank you for watching.